Alright guys, so let's see how we can add our own filter in this. So over here you have a list of filters by collection by last update. So here we are going to add another thing called inventory filter. Okay, basically this inventory filter will do nothing but it will show you whether the inventory is low or inventory is high. Okay, so let's define a function in the VS Code. So over here I'll just define a class. So I'll name this class as inventory filter. Okay, inventory filter, and this will inherit the things from admin dot there is a thing called simple list filter. Okay, now this will have an attribute. First is the title, which will be shown in the page, browser page. Okay, so I'll write and name it as inventory. Okay, then the second thing is your parameter name, parameter underscore name. Okay, this is nothing but this will be shown in the URL. Okay, basically I'll show you over here. This there is a under question mark collection double underscore ID equals to 3. So over here it will be shown as collection. So you can keep it anything whatever you want to keep. So just keep it as, I'll rather keep it as inventory only. Okay, so I'm not changing it. Alright, now over here I'll define two functions. Alright, so first is a lookup one and second is a query set. Lookup function kya karega? It will specify what item should be appear below the title in the browser page. Basically, if I go to the browser, so here you can see that these things, all banking, beauty, cleaning, all these things, so this will be shown by the first thing, that is lookups. Alright, and second thing is a query set. So let me define first the lookups. So I'll define a function called lookups. So I'll write def lookup. Okay, and I'll delete the type annotation. I don't want this type annotation. Request model admin भी रहेगा यहाँ पे, इसको मैं delete कर देता हूँ. This type annotation will be deleted. Okay, all right, and what it will do, it will basically return me a list. ठीक है, इसको भी मैं delete कर, अरे यार ये क्या हुआ है. ठीक है, it will return me a list of tuple. Basically it will denote two things over here. So first thing what I'll do, I'll write less than 10 because I want to show the inventory as low, which is if the number of items present in inventory is less than 10 and the human readable item will be low. So this is nothing but basically your actual value used for filtering, and this is a human readable thing which will be appear in the browser. Okay, so that is the first thing. Okay, now after this I'll define another function called def query set. Okay, again I'll delete the type annotation. इसको मैंने delete कर दिया, query set को इसको भी delete कर देता हूँ. Type annotation to be deleted. Okay, what it will do, it will return, अरे यार ये क्या हो गया, अरे ये क्या हुआ, query set, हाँ यहाँ से इसको delete कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, so here what we will do, we will write the logic. So I write if self dot value, okay, equals to less than 10, I'll write underquote less than 10. Okay, then what you do, you return the query set. Okay, so I'll write return query set. Okay, and in this query set what I'll do, I'll use the filter method. So I'll write filter and I'll filter out the things which I want. So inventory गलत हो गया, inventory double underscore LT equals to 10. Okay, all right, so this will return me all the list, which all the collections whose inventory is less than 10. Okay, so save कर देते हैं. Let's save this. Now under the product admin over here I'll have to add this class. So I'll simply add what we had given the name inventory filter. Okay, so I'll write inventory filter over here. inventory filter. Okay, save this. Now go back to your browser, refresh. All right, now you can see that by inventory here, all here is low. So this will return you all the inventory, this will return you all the inventory whose inventory is low. So you can see that, and this will return you all the inventories, all right, which is a random. So this is the way you define your custom things. Okay.